Bye bye Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Thank you po. Yes guys, papunta na kami, papasok na kami sa Egypt Air from Riyadh to Cairo po. So, masalama Riyadh.
Hello guys.
Thank you. Thank God, ang dami-dami namin. Ang saya-saya guys.
Boarding bus where?
Yan, inside.
خلي البوردين باص في ايدينا يا جماعه بعد اذنكم خلي البوردين باص في ايدينا.
Thank you. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You're going to Egypt?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to fill this. There is a
English?
English form. Yes.
Okay.
Fill the details. Fill it. Fill the cards.
Thank you. Guys, papasok na ako. Sobrang hirap. Grabing screening. Ano ba to?
Second aisle.
Second. Thank you. One. Here. Okay. So, 21K. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob. 21K. Yes. Yes guys, I'm here now. Yes. Finally guys, thank you so much. Thank you Lord. I got here. I need to fill up this form. Okay. Super stressed because you know there's a lot of screenings you need to undergo to prevent you know this pandemic. Thank you guys. So bye bye for now. I need to fix myself first. Thank you. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo guys. Naka-fix na ko lahat at ano na lang ako ng declaration na form ko. Naka-fill up na rin ako. So a few minutes mag-dilipad na tayo. So yan guys, abangan nyo ako doon sa Cairo, Egypt. So doon ako mag-landing. Boom! I love you guys. Update lang mamaya. Bye! Bye. Bye bye. Bye, Egypt Air. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye. So yun guys, nandito naman tayo sa Cairo, Egypt na airport ko. So let's see guys kung ano ang klaseng airport na meron sila. Ganda ng airport nila. Guys, dito na tayo. Saya-saya ang travel. Guys, ang saya-saya pag mag-travel. I love it. Nakakapagod pero mawala yung stress mo. Experience ba? Woo! See guys, we're here. So we're going. So nandito na tayo. Discover. Yeah. Yeah. Oops, si Lolo. Yun guys. check natin yung ano natin, yung what do you call that one, yung flight natin from Cairo to Toronto. Oh, so guys, I will stay here for 5 hours. Is F4. So sa dulo yung F5. Yes, there. So okay, we will stay there for 5 hours. Guys, dito naman tayo, second destination. So from Cairo to Toronto. Cairo, Egypt to Toronto. Then after that, Toronto to Edmonton. So see you there, guys. I love you. Hello guys, dito naman tayo sa Toronto. So my last destination will be Edmonton. So update lang guys. Okay, I love you. Love you guys. So yun guys, nandito na ako sa loob ng airport ng Toronto. See that guys? See? Okay, let's move on. Guys, yung luggage nila dito sa Toronto. Ito. Yan. Malawak din. At yun, organized. This is my bag, my luggage, my backpack. Guys, papasok na po ako patungo sa destination ko sa Edmonton. Thank you guys, love you. Update lang. We're looking for D24 for our gate number. Okay, so hanap tayo kung saan to. 24, there you go. D24. Yeah, this is my gate. Gate number 24 para sa ano ko, sa flight ko naman papuntang Edmonton from Toronto to Edmonton. So I got my visa, I mean my work permit already. So wala tayong problema doon. At yon, update lang na magsistay ako dito for 2 hours. No? So yan lang guys, I love you guys.
En tout temps, et les recommandations de distanciation physique doivent être respectées. Merci. Suitable face coverings must be worn at all times, and physical distancing recommendations adhered to.